Express!
Having trouble explaining your daily routines in English? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are 15 phrasal verbs to use in your daily routines. Ready? Let's dive in. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. Get up. It's time to get up and start the day. Get up. It's time to get up and start the day. Wash up. I wash up before dinner. Wash up. I wash up before dinner. Put on. I put on my shoes. Put on. I put on my shoes. Take off. I take off my jacket. Take off. I take off my jacket. Eat up. I eat up all my breakfast. Eat up. I eat up all my breakfast. Pack up. I pack up my school bag. Pack up. I pack up my school bag. Put away. I put away my toys after playing. Put away. I put away my toys after playing. Set up. I help set up the table for dinner. Set up. I help set up the table for dinner. Tidy up. I tidy up my room before bed. Tidy up. I tidy up my room before bed. Turn off. I turn off the lights before I go to bed. Zip up. I zip up my jacket before going outside. Sit down. I sit down at the table. Sit down. I sit down at the table. Get on. I get on the school bus. Get on. I get on the school bus. Go to. I go to bed at 8 p.m. Go to. I go to bed at 8 p.m. Let's have a recap. Wake up. Get up. It's wash up. Put on. Take off. Eat up. Pack up. Put away. Set up. Tidy up. Turn off. Zip up. Sit down. Get on. Go to. Now it's quiz time. Let's see how well you remember the daily routine phrasal verbs. But before we start, drop a comment with your favorite phrasal verb and use it in a sentence. Guess the phrasal verb in just 3 seconds. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more English phrases and quizzes.